In today's video, I will walk you through how to add volume profile in Robinhood Legend. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To follow along with this tutorial, open Robinhood Legend from the official Robinhood platform and access your chart workspace where your trading layout is already displayed. Once your chart is visible on the screen, move to the upper right-hand corner and look for the indicators icon located just below the Add Widget button. Click on the indicators icon to open the indicators panel. This panel gives you access to the different indicators available inside Robinhood Legend. Inside the indicators panel, click Add Indicator to open the complete list of available indicators. After the list appears, you can either scroll through the available options manually or use the search box to find the indicator more quickly. If you want a faster way to locate it, click inside the search field and type volume profile. You can also continue scrolling through the list until you locate the volume profile indicator manually. Once you find it, click on the volume profile indicator to add it to your chart. After selecting it, the indicator will automatically appear within your chart workspace and become active on the screen. You should now see the volume profile displayed directly on your chart layout. Beside the volume profile indicator, click on Settings to open the customization menu. This will display the available settings options for the volume profile indicator. Inside the settings menu, you can review and adjust the available configuration options directly from the panel. Continue through the settings window and make any changes you want for the indicator setup. As you make adjustments, the changes will automatically update on the chart in real time, so you can immediately see how the indicator appears with the updated settings. If you want to make additional adjustments later, you can return to the same indicators panel and reopen the settings menu again at any time. The indicator will remain visible and active within your workspace while you continue using Robinhood Legend. At this point, you have successfully added the volume profile indicator and accessed its settings inside Robinhood Legend.